Hi Mackenzie, how's it going?
It's great. I'm leisuring.
Oh yeah? When's your next exam?
Sometime.
Have you studied for it?
It'll happen.
But when is it?
You know what? I really don't appreciate this accusing behaviour.
Oh, that's a shame.
I don't know what you want from me. Welcome. You either clicked on this video because you've been following our exam countdown series, or you saw the title of the video and you thought this might have been your saving grace. Either way, welcome to How to Last Minute Cram with Mackenzie and Red Bull.
Red Bull Organics.
Red Bull Organics.
It's not real Red Bull. Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor.
I wish they sponsored us.
Either way, we're about 2 weeks out from exams now, and this is really the time of the year where we're going to start reaping what we've sown in terms of the work that we've put in so far this year. If you haven't been really studying up until this point, it might be a good idea, but we will be getting into how to best last minute cram in about 2 seconds. Last minute cramming tip number 1. Practice past exam papers. So we've talked about this in probably almost every video so far, but they're actually such a useful study tool. It can be one of the most tedious things in the world, but it is the best way to know how the questions actually come together in an exam. Secondly, one of the things that you really should be focusing on at this point of the year is how your ideas interrelate. So we are taught all the points as sort of separate ideas in class, but that's not the way we're going to be tested in an NCEA exam. They're going to throw concepts together and they're going to want you to draw those links and ask how they actually all interrelate to each other to come to an overarching concept. Whether that be in bio or English or any of your other subjects, they all interrelate and there are connections between them. Lastly, it might be a good idea to get some last minute tutoring. So a 1 hour session with somebody who knows a lot more about it than you can be a really handy way of going over and filling in the gaps that you may have. It's also a really useful way of being able just to speak to somebody about how you're feeling about the exam, the areas that you're unsure of, and how to best actually go about answering the exams. Amelia, you're a last minute tutor.
I am.
Tell the folks at home just how useful they are.
Very useful, very helpful, good for last minute tutoring to get ready for exams.
So you can sign up for these tutoring cram sessions anytime that you want. You can pick a day and time that suits you and you can have instant confirmation of your tutoring session once you decide what works best for you. For more information, check it out on the Studytime website. So that's studytime.co.nz/tutoring. We're getting close to exams now, but it is never too late to start. You can always make progress, even if it's small or large. And you never know, a 5-minute recap of a concept can increase your confidence of it like tenfold. So get into your study, get into the areas that you're unsure of, that make you uncomfortable, and make sure that when it gets to exam time, you know how to answer those questions. I'm on holiday.
How would you feel if you got none achieved in your exams?
Time is a concept.